This business was running Google Ads and getting nothing. Same budget, same market, and the same offer. We changed one crucial thing, and in under 14 days, they've received 4 inquiries, and their budget is not hundreds of pounds a day, it's not thousands of pounds a day, it's just £17 a day. That's correct, which is like $20 odd a day if you're watching in the States. You're probably wondering what went wrong. The simple mistake the client was doing was sending all the traffic to the home page. There's 3 crucial things why that's simply wrong. Number 1, the home page speaks to everyone. The messaging is not targeted direct to the target audience. And secondly, Google Ads traffic is specific and high intent. What that basically means is whoever's typed in a search term on Google, they already know what they're looking for and they're ready to potentially purchase or will be ready to purchase after they've got a few quotes. And lastly, number 3, when someone clicks on an ad, they expect the messaging to follow through. If somebody searches emergency electrician near me and then they land onto a home page that talks about the services, the about us, the company history, blogs, the messaging's completely wrong. And this is simply where other businesses also go wrong and make the mistake of losing budgets on Google Ads and then saying, ads don't work for me, I'm going to stick with word of mouth, or I'm going to wait for referrals, and have no growth in their business. Let me flip this over and let me show you what was there before and now what the landing page looks like. So this was the home page where the traffic was being sent. Straight away you can see it just says seamless logistics, nationwide reach. There's no targeted keyword. Again, a bit of brief messaging about the services, the fleet that they've got in place, some reviews, which is good, always good to have. Trusted partners, also great to have to build up that trust and social proof. And then a contact us form at the bottom, and then an email address and telephone number and so on. What you would normally expect to see. And this is what we've gone and changed. Now, briefly before I go into this, the customer was looking to generate inquiries relating to logistics services. So now this page only focuses on logistics services and to generate inquiries, which is the contact form on the right-hand side that you can see here. So first of all, as you can see on the left-hand side, you'll see fast, reliable UK logistics that grows with your business, same day delivery and so on. And then we've also put in a few bullet points that will speak directly to the target audience. Get a free quote, and what you'll notice here is 2-hour response, 100% secure, callback available, and we tell them there's no commitment, it just takes 30 seconds, letting them know it takes under a minute to get in touch, and you'll be able to get a response back within 2 hours. If you scroll down, we've now put the leading UK companies at the top, whereas previously you'll notice you have to scroll down to see the trusted partners. So we've built up that social proof towards the top. We've now put down some of the services that they provide as a logistics company, and now we've added in more social proof with security about their warehouse, capable fleet with tracking in place, because that's something that their clients would normally ask for. They've been trading for over 4 years and they've got 9 different vehicle types, along with reviews in place. And you can also click get a quote, as well as a telephone number at the bottom and at the top. Now, by us just making this simple change, by redesigning a brand new targeted landing page, they received 4 inquiries in under 14 days with a £17 a day budget. And for most service businesses and for most service-based businesses, one sole deal from that alone would cover your ad spend costs. Let's jump into the Google Ads account so I can show you the actual inquiries that had come in. So now you can see the Google Ads account here. You can see the average cost per click is £4.36. If we just change this to conversions and click all, you'll see that there's been 4 conversions come through, and the cost per conversion has been just over £45 an inquiry. Now, to see what type of conversions they were, if we click on gold and click on summary and scroll down, you can see they've submitted the lead form, which was the same form that I'd mentioned previously, which is this one here. Now, the key point on this video is this wasn't about the budget, it was more about the relevance, the intent, simplicity, and conversion structure. So if you're running Google Ads, number 1, make sure you're tracking your inquiries. Number 2, make sure the messaging speaks directly to your target audience. If it doesn't, chances are that page is not going to convert as well as it should do. And if you do want us to review over your Google Ads campaign, click on the link below. We'll be happy to do a complete audit at no cost to see if we can help. Not all businesses qualify because we don't work with all types of businesses. Simple way to think of your Google Ads is make sure these 3 things are aligned to make sure they perform. The messaging on your landing page, the keywords that you're targeting, and the headlines and titles and description within your ad. If they all align, Google will charge you less, but even show you more because you're having high intent conversions coming through. Now, if you're running Google Ads yourself, ask yourself one thing: does your landing page speak directly to your ideal client? And if you found this video useful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more marketing tips. If you want help, as I said, click on the link below. We'll be more than happy to go over your Google Ads account. And if you'd want us to put it into a video for you, more than happy to do a complete live Google Ads video review for you as well. And if you're not sure whether to spend your money on Google Ads or Meta Ads, click up here to watch this video.